business we're in, taking containers to the ports out of Phoenix, the most common thing a driver is going to deal with on the maintenance side is going to be tire blowouts. It's very routine, especially in the summer. Temperatures get real hot, these tires blow out routinely. But it's not just limited to tire blowouts. A lot of times you'll have airline blowouts, you'll have some type of lighting issue. So those are some of the things that a driver will face fairly routinely, will be kind of the more moving parts, but it's certainly not limited to that. So a lot of our drivers will carry your standard tools, so they can actually change out a mud flap if they need to change out a mud flap. Drivers are pretty commonly losing mud flaps and those types of things. Breakdowns are going to be common no matter what company you work for, but the drivers that are the most successful have tools in place on their truck and are prepared for those breakdowns.